Right, good morning everybody. Welcome to the National Motorcycle Museum. And that's looking extremely busy. Anywhere left?
Huh?
Is there anywhere left to park?
Just follow the car. Some bikes have left and you just need, if you're gonna park, just park on the double yellow, you'll be alright.
Alright mate,
Yeah?
cheers. Alright, well, here we are then. Let's button everything up and go and see what's in store. There's a real one.
You was wrong.
I felt like I need one of them scooters.
Hey, we should that knock, yeah?
Oh my god.
On that one, on the rocket as well. Yeah. Yeah, well, obviously had a good year.
Your belly behind there and get it up here. Ladies and gents, everybody go! Lovegrove! Alan Millyard! And of course, the one and only Hickman! And not forgetting a little bit of a surprise this afternoon, Costello! Is that, honestly, James, is that everyone? Flipping out, who else are you going to surprise me with? Okay. Who was his, you know we were talking about Millyard, weren't we, and his ridiculous Viper, yeah? And we were also talking about his persuasion over the last 3 years to attempt the world land speed record for 2 up at 100 and I never remember.
183.
183.1.
181.3.
Oh, does it matter? It doesn't matter. Mainly because Millyard says, please Henry, come on the back because we're going to do 2 of us at 200. So luckily I managed to avoid it that Elvington's kind of not closed, but we can't do it till April next year, the proper attempt. But then he goes, oh, should we go and do a warm-up at Western? I think we might have a video.
Like the other week when I went out riding with Alan Millyard and ended up accepting a challenge.
We will attempt the world land speed record 2 up. It's about the way. Why are we here? Well, we're here. Oh dear. We're here to have a shakedown, right, of the Viper and the potential 2 up record. There she is.
I paused this yesterday because I was talking about the vanity of Henry Cole. Now his hair is obviously growing fabulously behind his head. The one that he keeps claiming is not a wig.
It's not.
And then you get the poor old 60-year-old, bless him today, with his head just not giving a shit about his appearance in the slightest. I can't get it.
He doesn't at all.
How do you manage to sell him to the TV?
Got to say, he's taken to wearing this hat, right? He was wearing, was everyone here yesterday? He was wearing it yesterday. His little Paddington Bear hat. We call him Saddington rather than Paddington. And my director, editor, in the whose voice it is on this, he goes, Henry, hello? I go, all right, Nick, what's going on? He goes, yeah, Guy. I go, what? They go, is he all right? No. We're very worried about his hat. He looks as though he's just been let out of an institution. Oh, thanks, all right. All right, here we go.
Okay, so a light plane takes off at around 60. The fastest I've been 2 up is about 70, and Alan's just done 120. It ain't just my joints that are squeaky.
That's lovely.
No pressure.
Right, there's a few levers. So
Tickle.
oil on, petrol on. It's manual oiling as well, and total loss.
Does that mean it pisses out on the floor?
Yeah.
James, I'm sorry, where is it?
You've got to get everything set, kind of. I've got the wrong shoes as well. You should really have massive boots for this job.
I've got the wrong ankle, actually.
Emery's got the wrong pants.
Always.
Now listen. This is it. I can feel it. Takes over, guys. It really hits a big crescendo. If this was sort of BBC, it would be off already with a big crescendo. Someone would have written the score for it. Hang on.
Here we go.
What? Oh, here we go. Right, you ready? There, look, let's do it quickly.
Give him a round of applause for that picture.
There we go.
Right.
So, look.